plants. Look at that. Y'all have been gone. The tomatoes under there. My Swiss chard. My baby bok choy. It's kind of getting overcrowded by the Swiss chard and the tomato, but look how beautiful. Yeah, got tomatoes going on, y'all. All right, I'm gonna charge this phone up a little bit. The dog, Domino, is so excited having his mama back home. All right, we're gonna go. Oh, let me show y'all this too. Look, this is my dwarf pomegranate and my baby dragon fruit. Look at them. They all happy too because they finally just got some water. But we finna go outside and look at this garden because I haven't been out there and I need to figure out how to keep everything warm. All right, y'all, I am home. I'm in my pajamas. I'm back on this side of Texas. I am excited. Not excited about this weather we're about to have. Not about that. I did come home and some plants had deceased. My seedlings, some of my seedlings, a lot of my seedlings. I can't even reach the ones in the back. I didn't want to move everything, so I just put the water hose in there, sprayed them down, because they ain't had no water. They haven't had any water. I've been gone. I appreciate Stay and Mr. Wallace for being such courteous and wonderful hosts. I enjoy myself. I did. Like, I couldn't even keep up with them grown folks. I felt like I wasn't even grown. It's like I haven't made the grownness yet. Oh my goodness. But I had a good time. I'm about to eat some barbecue that my mom, that is how you come home. You come home and your mama done got you some barbecue from the neighbor down the road. They had like a celebration yesterday. Yesterday was a church and they had a celebration at the church. So they had some ribs and some beans. Let me show y'all. This is what we got. We got some ribs. Oh. And I'm not gonna eat this whole bowl of beans. I was just warming it up in case my mom wanted something to eat. I ain't eat all that much, but ribs. That is how you come home. Come home to ribs. And of course, let me turn this on. But guys, I'm gonna do a official update on my WIG winter end growing. But I had to show y'all because I was worried about them. They ain't had that much water left and everything, so I've been gone. And look at these. Look at these big old babies. I mean, big. Look at my Swiss chard. Look at my Swiss chard. There's my baby bok choy. Look at you, baby boy choy. But look at these. What? And you know, when I left, I had some tomatoes, but I didn't have this many tomatoes. This Tiny Tim, he be showing out. He be showing out. But look at all them. I mean, and look how big and thick and healthy. Look at the stem on that boy. Oh, he got a thick stem. Oh yeah. And she just standing up real tall. You go, Swiss chard. I'm gonna eat you, girl. I mean, her leaves. I'm gonna eat her leaves. Yeah, looks really good. I am happy. I'm happy. Domino is completely excited that I made it home. Yeah. I mean, as soon as I pulled up, I came in the house. He's jumping like on both feet. He was like, oh my gosh, my mom came back. She did not abandon me forever. So he was excited. Then I was like, I need to get to my plants because I need to water them deeply before tonight. The snow's supposed to come in the next like 30 minutes or so. we're supposed to start. I guess it's gonna rain and get some. Whatever happens, I'm gonna take y'all along with this journey, okay? Domino. I'm gonna take y'all along with this journey. So, snowpocalypse, snowmageddon, Arctic freeze #2. I don't know what to expect, right? And I know people up north, or even people in, hey, quick, babe. Even people. He's excited with his toy, but I'm about to take it because I'm trying to talk. We don't get snow down here in Houston. Let me tell you how serious this is, right, for us. Now, Dallas and Fort Worth, Dallas sometimes gets snow. Fort Worth do. Everything above that, they do. Like Denton, all those. But Houston, we don't do snow down here, okay? Because we're closer to Galveston. We're closer to the warmness of the ocean. What is that, an ocean? That ain't an ocean. Anyway, we're closer to the Gulf of Mexico, which is the ocean. Anyway, so let me tell you how serious this is. The city is closing. The city is closing. Matter of fact, while I'm sitting here, I'm gonna eat one of these ribs. Ah, it's hot. Nothing like coming home to that. Okay. The city of Houston is closing. So, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're supposed to be having this ice mageddon, and nothing is going to be open. Not even the airway. You're not going to be able to fly into Houston. No, both airports, Hobby and the other one. Neither one. You can't come here. If you don't drive here, you can't come here flying. You can't fly here because we close. We'll be back open Thursday for business, but Tuesday, Wednesday, we are all hunkering down in our house, and we're gonna stay warm.